Kpr Mill Limited has one of the largest vertically integrated manufacturing capacities in India, producing yarn, knitted grey and dyed fabric and ready-made garments. We will now showcase the multi-step process of converting fibre to garment. The first step is spinning. First, the mixed fibres come to the blow room, where a set of machinery open and clean the raw cotton. Compacted fibre is sent for carding, where the fibre will be disentangled and straightened. The next step is draw frame, on which drafting and doubling are carried out. It is then followed by combing, which is the process of straightening and parallelizing a fibre. Then, rowing frame process takes place. Rowing is the fibre strand of lesser count than that of a silver. Next is ring spinning. It is done on a ring frame, which converts the bobbin into a yarn. The yarns are wound in the winding machine. Now the yarn packages are ready for knitting. Knitting is a process of manufacturing fabric by high-speed automatic circular knitting machines. The yarns are interlooped and knitting is cast on, and the circle of stitches is joined. It works in rounds in a spiral. After knitting of the roll fabric is withdrawn and weighed. Then the inspection and numbering process is performed. Now the grey fabric bales are ready to be sent to the processing division. State-of-the-art fabric processing unit integrates the fabric processing activities of dyeing, bleaching and finishing. Received large round grey fabric bales are stored in grey storage area. Sample testing for dyeing are done in the laboratory. The data color dispensing machine accurately colors according to the buyer's requirements, and sample dyeing is done on the fabrics. Each bale is joined end to end and paralleled using preparation machine. Plain fabric is put through a prolonged dyeing process. These EcoMaster machine works with its automated control system and provides accurate colors. The padding machine cuts the dyed fibre into a long piece and is padded, after which the fabric is dried in the dryer. Dyed and rinsed fabric is ironed on both sides. A piece of ironed fabric undergoes burst and pilling testing. When the quality is ensured, dyed fabrics are sent to the garment division. Garment division is a garment production system where the fabric is converted into garment in a manufacturing process. The load is taken on pallets to be weighed and recorded. The pallet is then moved to the inspection area for width and metric qualification by either fabric inspection machine or manual filth fold types. To determine dimensional stability, the piece of fabric is sewed and checked by appropriate combination of washing, drying and GSM checking procedures. When the approval is given, the fabric rolls are stored for relaxation. After all the speculations, the fabric is then spread out on a flat surface with perfect orthogonal alignment. The centralized CAD room makes the critical decision of dimensions to be cut out from the laid out fabric. Manual or mechanical band knife and rib cutters cut the stacked fabric sheets. The sizes are examined systematically through quality auditing, and bundle card is stuck on each cutting to avoid mistakes in sorting. When this is done, now the garments are ready for sewing. Sewing accessories and packing materials are taken from the storerooms. Garments that require printing goes in for printing. Printing is the process used to import colored pattern or design on the clothes. In sewing division, the bundle of ferment parts move from operation to operation. The first step is fusing, in which the details of brand, size and other specifications are blended on the garment. Next is panel setting, in which the cut parts such as front, back and sleeves are matched up with the corresponding parts. Further steps in sewing are shoulder joining, rib joining, rib attaching, rib bind attaching, rib bind closing, neck round top stitching, sleeve hemming, sleeve joining, Side seam attaching, bottom hemming, sleeve tagging. Extra threads are removed by the trimming machine. And now the garment is stitched. Each garment is picked to be visually checked for quality assurance. Selected garments undergo ironing and measurement checks. Once this is done, garments are sent for rate tagging and packing. Garment data is stored using barcode scanning. Next, the garments are sent through the metal detector. Now the garment is ready for packing. The packed boxes are kept in the storage rooms. And random boxes from each row is examined for quality assurance. From fiber to fashion, each step is generated with care for customer satisfaction. Kpr Mills have earned worldwide accreditation for maintaining highest standards of quality